phone vibrates with another notification, and there it is again. That perfectly styled outfit from Hazel and Olive is staring back at you from your screen. It feels like the algorithm is reading your mind. You see the vibrant colors and the trendy cuts that would look amazing at a tailgate or a formal brunch. But a tiny voice in your head is asking if this is too good to be true. We have all been burned by those mysterious websites that promise high fashion but deliver something that looks like a high school art project. You want to know if you can actually trust this brand before you hand over your credit card details. Let me put those fears to rest. Hazel and Olive is a legitimate American boutique. They are not some ghost entity operating out of a dark corner of the internet. They are based in Rockwall, Texas. This is a real business with a real physical presence. They have been around for quite a while, and they've built a massive following for a reason. They ship their orders directly from the United States. This means you aren't waiting for a cargo ship to cross the ocean just to get a new dress. They even have their own dedicated shopping app. Think about the effort that goes into maintaining a functional mobile platform. Scammers do not do that. They prefer cheap websites that they can delete in an afternoon. Hazel and Olive is invested in their community and their brand. However, being a real company does not mean they are flawless. You have to be a smart shopper. Sizing is the biggest hurdle for most people. Every boutique has its own specific fit. If you are used to big box store sizes, you might find these items a bit different. You must check the sizing guides provided on the site. Do not just guess. It takes 2 minutes to measure yourself, and it saves you a massive headache later. Also, remember that they are very popular. Their inventory moves incredibly fast. If you find something you love, you should probably grab it. If you wait until the weekend, it might already be sold out. That is just the nature of a high-demand boutique. Then there is the shipping schedule. Yes, they are generally fast. But they are not immune to the chaos of the holiday season or major sales events. If you have a wedding on Saturday, do not wait until Tuesday to place your order. Give yourself a week or two of breathing room. It takes the stress out of the process. They are a genuine fashion house with a real team behind them. They are not a drop-shipping scam. They are a legitimate Texas-born business that has mastered the art of social media marketing. You can see their active accounts and their customer interactions every single day. That kind of transparency is a gold standard in the online shopping world. So go ahead and browse with confidence. Just keep your expectations realistic. Read the return policy so you know exactly what the rules are. Pay attention to the fabric descriptions. If you do your homework, you are going to end up with some fantastic pieces that actually look like the photos. It is all about being an informed consumer in a digital world. You get the style you want without the stress of wondering if your package will ever arrive. It is a relief to find a place that actually delivers on its promises.